So hey guys, this is Technical Average. Today on my HTML tutorial I am going to tell you about the most important tag of the HTML that are mostly used when you work on the HTML project. Along with the syntax text, I will give you some review for the tags. Before we go and start our tutorial, I have a small request for all guys. So please do subscribe our channel, please like the videos and comment if you have any issue regarding the video. Now let's go and start and understand the tag of HTML format. So the first tag is about the button tag. Here this tag is ideally used to create a button and the syntaxes be like this and its output or result will be like this. So here comes the big tag. The big tag makes the text little larger, that is in comparison to normal text it makes the text little larger. So its result is here, welcome to Facebook. So here another tag is about the DD tag. The DD tag defines the definition of the description. Now let's say for example, after applying this tag, the full form of NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration and it is enclosed by DD tag. And again the full form of MBA is Masters of Business Administration and it is also enclosed by DD tag. And like this we can make the description of any text. So for example, like here NASA and MBA, the result is obtained here. So another tag is about the DFN tag. Here DFN tag emphasizes the definition. For example, the definition of Facebook is a means of social media which helps to entertain the user. So like this you can use DD tag by enclosing it with the text. So another tag is about the del tag. Del tag simply indicates the deleted text. It will be cross mark on that particular text where you mention the del tag. So if you have to delete any text, then it should be enclosed by del tag, then by giving the here slash. So let's jump to another tag. Another tag is about the dir tag. Next come here dir tag. Dir tag defines the directory list, and this is the syntax where you will be using the dir tag, and this is the output for the dir tag. So you can see here the example. I have opened here dir tag and listed hello, my name is Mosam, and it is closed here, and at last dir tag is also closed here, and you can see the example of dir tag. Okay, another example is about the fieldset tag. The fieldset tag creates a form for all the element in it. This is the syntax used, and this is the output for the syntax. Here it creates a box for the text. You can see here it is creating a box, and this is the example for the fieldset tag. Here comes a menu tag. Now here comes a menu tag. It defines a menu list. If you write a menu and write a list according to your choice, then menu tag creates a menu list, and here is the output for the menu tag. You can see here I have given my friend's name Manish Samer Anil, and here is the tag used. Here is the tag used menu, and it is also closed here, and the examples are listed. So another tag is about the var tag. Var tag indicates the variable parameter. To create the var tag, you have to enclose the text with var tag, and here is the output for the var tag. You can see the example, hello, I am awesome, in var tag it is enclosed here, and the example is I study at grade 12, and the var tag is closed here, and you can see the example for the var tag. Here is the var tag, I study at grade 12. So another example is about the q tag. If you are using the q tag, then the text will be highlighted then the text will be highlighted by the double inverted comma. So you can see here the CSS properties is highlighted with the double inverted comma, and you can see the example here. Hello everybody, next video is about the CSS property. The CSS properties are enclosed by Q tag. Here Q tag is open and here Q tag is closed. So let's jump to another example. Here comes a sub tag. Sub tag is defining a subscripted text. To create sub tag, just enclose the tag with SUB tag. So here is the example. Hey guys, my channel name is Technical Average. So Technical Average is enclosed by sub tag. So here comes another example, SUP tag. It is used for creating superscripted text. For example, For example, hey guys, my channel name is Technical Average, and Technical Average is enclosed by SUP tag. Here SUP tag is open and here SUP tag is closed. So again, here comes a pre tag. Here pre tag is specifying a pre-formatted text. For example, if you are writing a tag in this way, then the result is obtained here. I have given here example: city Keravali Cool, city Belbari Hotel, city Viratnagar Hottest, and here pre tag is closed. So another example is about the OPT group tag. Here it comes the OPT group tag. OPT group tag creates an option drop down group menu. So if you are giving a complete syntax in this way, then the syntax in this way, the output will be obtained in this way. You can see here is an option created. So it is a group tag, OPT group tag. So here last comes here option tag. Option tag creates an option drop down group menu. So if you are giving the complete syntax in this way, you can create a option tag. Here it is given a choice here: beginner, advanced, intermediate. So you can choose any one option. So at last, thank you. So these are all the tags of HTML which we have learned today. Hope you all have loved and liked the concept of HTML tag. So at last, please subscribe our channel and like and comment if you have any issue regarding this channel. Thank you.